There are lots of different strategies with Amazon PPC and lots of different strategies that you can use in tandem or in conjunction with your current strategies, kind of different layers. So for example, you have your research campaigns that you're using to gather more new keywords, to continually find new keywords that you could then target in the keywords that you're trying to rank for, your ranking campaigns. You have your exact match campaigns that have all your best keywords in there that you're really trying to drive traffic to and be aggressive with and dominate. You have your catch-all campaigns that have a super low bid, that are just there to always continually look out for the lowest hanging fruit, and ACoS is always amazing. Another strategy I'm going to talk to you about today is called gold panning. And what this is, it's a specific set of campaigns that you're going to set up with a moderate bid. For example, half the bid of your current campaigns that you're running to try to really rank your keywords.